Here we are with the Ferrari 308 GT4. This car came to us with a running problem, and it turned out to be in the early stages of engine failure. And we then found there were corrosion and body issues and other cosmetic and mechanical problems, and one thing led to another, and well, here we are. And as you say, Rick, this is a really interesting car. Can we show the folks
Absolutely.
What this is?
They used every bit of material they could find for it.
This is steel, aluminum, and fiberglass.
This is all aluminum. The air comes in here directly out of the hood here through the radiator.
Yeah, you hear it? That's aluminum.
This is aluminum.
And there's steel.
But all of this
and fiberglass.
Is fiberglass.
And look how it's all joined together.
It's all riveted.
There's riveting.
There's bonding over here between aluminum and steel.
That's a really unusual thing that we would have an aluminum nose and a steel side.
Steel, yet the apron is all fiberglass.
Yeah, and underneath here, yeah, there's a transition right here into fiberglass.
This right here, this whole piece is all fiberglass. They put the spare in the front.
Yeah.
In front of, right behind the radiator. But all of this in here is fiberglass. And then as you come over to the interior, all of this is fiberglass.
This whole tub is, so an interesting thing about this is it's very common to find rotted out floors in Ferrari 308s, but in this car, there are no floors to rot.
It's all fiberglass. So there's steel structure within the tunnel, within the tube, and then if you look up in here,
yeah,
there's round tube.
Yeah, we have that.
Make the structure.
Yeah. Let's see if we can zoom in and they can see that. See the tubing there? So it's almost like a roll cage when we look at a close-up of it.
It comes back into the engine bay.
Really,
the doors are steel.
And this is steel, this barrier.
Is steel.
The barrier to the engine steel. The quarters are steel. But look in the back here. This is steel, and this was one of the things that started us on taking this car apart, the realization that this steel was Swiss cheese now. Look at that, it's just dissolved. This is above the exhaust system and mufflers in the assembled car. This is part of your firewall structure, and you can see it's not going to do its job. But over here, we transition to fiberglass, and then back into steel for the quarters. So this is a uniquely constructed Ferrari compared to the other 308s that we've done.
It's a very interesting car. And you'll see we had all this sandblasted, but we like to mechanically strip the outsides of the car for better treatment of the panels and of the steel.
So it's a really unusual Ferrari, a very rare piece.